Welcome to Spud Specialties Kitchen with Alice in Dairyland.
Welcome back to Spud Specialties Kitchen for the month of February. This time of year, a lot of us might be coming together in gatherings to watch our favorite sports teams, either in championships, playoffs, or finals. If you're looking for a great appetizer to bring to these gatherings, this Buffalo Chicken Potato Nachos might be just what you're looking for, and it uses Wisconsin-grown russet potatoes. Let me show you how to make it. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees, which I have just done. Then, take one large russet potato and make sure it's washed and scrubbed. We will slice the potato lengthwise into 1/4-inch slices so that they look like chips for our potato nachos. Our next step is to coat the slices in olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then toss them. One small trick I have for this is to find a bowl that has a tightly fitting lid so you can shake everything together and make it a little bit easier. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Grab a baking sheet and put some tin foil on it. We will put our potato slices on the baking sheet and put them in the oven for about 15 minutes or until the tops are starting to brown. While our potatoes are roasting, let's mix together our shredded chicken and our buffalo sauce. I already cooked and shredded 1 medium chicken breast earlier, and now I am just going to add 1 tablespoon of buffalo sauce and mix it all together. This is also a good time to chop up our celery stalk that we will use as a garnishment. So take 1 large celery stalk, just cut it into small chunks. And finally, we have some blue cheese that we will use as a topping for our Buffalo Chicken Potato Nachos as well. I am using Kingston Creamery blue cheese, and we need about 2 tablespoons of this. It looks like our potatoes are getting close to done, so I'm going to take them out, let them cool, and then we'll plate them up for serving. Once they've cooled, take your potato chips and arrange them on the plate any which way you'd like. Then, spread out your buffalo chicken across your nachos. Take your celery and garnish the top of your buffalo chicken nachos. Of course, we can't forget our Wisconsin cheese, so be sure to top your nachos with lots of that blue cheese. And to top it all off, if you'd like to add some extra spice, you can drizzle a little bit more buffalo sauce, and we'll top it all with some dried parsley for flavor. I hope you try this creative appetizer recipe using Wisconsin potatoes so that you can bring your A game to your next big game celebration. You can find this recipe and many more just like it at eatwisconsinpotatoes.com. Happy cheering this final season, and I look forward to seeing you next time in Spud Specialties Kitchen. Enjoy!